Hello friend, this is Shubham, Code with Crazy. In today's session, we are going to discuss about database concept. So main agenda for today's session is what is database, what kind of files we can store inside the database, and also how to create, alter and drop a database. So let's see in next slide. So what is database? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system or in local system. A database is usually controlled by a database management system. A database typically includes one or more tables, each of which contains multiple rows and columns of data. Each row in table represents a single record, while each column represents a specific attribute or piece of information about that record. A database are mainly used in different type of applications, also for the industries and including businesses, education, healthcare, and finance, and many more. So this is the main use of the database. We are using database in various applications and along with various industries and the healthcare places. So what kind of files we can store inside the database? The database has a primary data file, user-defined file group, and a log file. A primary data file is in the primary file group, and the user-defined file group has two secondary data files. So in a simple word, we can say that database which can store the various files based on the clients and the user requirements. The database can store the text files, documents, also images, video clips in the form of the MP4 or MP3, text files in the form of the CSV, JSON, such type of file formats. Also, it can be stored the files in the form of the documents in a database in the form of the Microsoft Word. Such type files we can store inside database in the form of the files. So that's about the which type of files we can store inside the database. So now how to create, alter and drop a database. So for the creating a database, we have to use create database keyword, and for altering a database, we have to use alter database keyword. With the help of the alter database, we can perform the changes in our database. We can do changes in the name of the database. So such type of operations we can perform with the help of the create and alter command. So for performing the practical operations, let's see in SSMS server. So here I will explain with the help of the one example. Consider I am creating a one database name as a demo. Here I am executing the command by selecting it with the help of the execute tab. So here you can see that my command is executed successfully and my demo database is created. Here you can see that in a drop down option, here you can see that my database is created successfully. Now I have to use this database, I have to use demo database. So how I can perform? So for that we have to use keyword. With the help of the keyword we can perform the operations on our database. So here I am executing the command with the help of the execute tab. Yeah, here you can see that my command is executed successfully, and here you can see that my demo as a database name had been come. As before of this there was master name as a system database name was there, but after the performing operation as a use keyword with demo, the my database name has been come there, right? So this is a one concept. It comes under while performing the operations on the database with the help of the use keyword, that we can perform the operation on our database by selecting it. So now I have to perform the changes in my database. I have to change the rename the my database name. So for that I can use the alter command. Here I am explaining with the help of the showing practical scenario. Here you can see that my database name is demo. Now I have to change my database name from demo to demo 1. So for that I have to use modify name is equal to new database name. Yeah, after the selecting and executing of my command, here you can see that my database name has been changed, like it's from the demo to the demo, from demo to the demo 2. So here you can see in the pop-up message that it's showing that the database name demo 2 has been set. So this is actually the use of the alter database command. Like with the help of that I can modify my database name with the here I explain with the help of the example of demo. It's renaming its name from demo to demo 2. Yeah, so now consider I have to delete my database. How I can perform the how I can perform the operations for that. So for that I can use drop database command, and after that I can use my database name. Here I already changed my database name as a demo 2. So after the selecting and executing that command, yeah, actually my database name is currently in use, that demo 2. uh, Here I will change my database, here I can use master database. Now here I am using the master database, right? So here you can see that my command executed successfully. Now I have to delete this demo database. So for that I can perform the operation like drop database and then demo 2. Here you can see that my command is executed successfully, that it's showing that your database is deleted successfully. So now I will try to use this database. Does it is available or not? I will check. So by performing the use keyword, I will check that here my database exists in this database or not. So here at the end you can see the in a red line, it's showing that database demo2 does not exist. Make sure that the name is entered correctly. So as I already dropped my database, so that's why it's showing the message that your database does not exist. So this is my main thing. It's come under while performing the operation with the help of the drop keyword in a database, on a database, right? So now I will explain the another one concept. So you will see in a slide. Yeah. So here another one command is there, alter database name, set single user with rollback immediate. So what is actual use of this command? So main use of this command is while performing the operations on database, uh, consider sometimes me and my friend are working on the same database, but now I have to database name is demo is there, and both of we are working on the same database. Now I have to delete the database, like a demo database, from my side. So for that I have to use this alter database name set single user with rollback immediate. So what it will be do? So it will be after the at the time of deletion of the database, it will be showing the error that you cannot drop the database because it is currently in use, because there are two users are working on the same database. So that's why I am not able to delete it. So if so it will be showing that you need to put the database in a single user mode and then drop the database. So same this command will perform the operations with the help of this alter command. I will give the access to the only one single user instead of the two users. So here I will explain with the help of the performing the practical operations. So you will get the more brief idea. Yeah, consider I am taking another one session. Here I am creating a one table, like one database. The database name is demo3. Yeah, here my command is executed successfully, and also you will see here that my database is created successfully. Now here in a second session, in this session, I will apply the set single user with rollback immediate command on that demo3 database. So here I am executing this command with the help of the execute tab. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, here you can see that my command is executed successfully. So it is showing that like now your database in a single user format, that you can perform the operation like as a single user. But consider, if I use this database name, so like I have to perform the operations on my database name as a demo3. So for that I am using the use demo3, this command. So I am executing this command. So here it will be showing that database demo3 is already open and can only have one user at a time. So that's the thing. Here it's showing that the only one user at the same time working on this database. So this is actual things like here I already performed the operation that only one user can perform the operations like with the help of the alter database demo3 and set single user rollback immediate. Yeah. So this is actual thing like with the help of the rollback immediate option, will roll back all incomplete transactions and closes the connection to the database. So this about the alter database name and set single user with rollback immediate command. Yeah, so that's about the SQL. Like today that we clear the concepts on the like how to create, alter, drop database, what is database, like which type of files we can store inside the database. In our next session, we will discuss in more brief about the database as well as table concepts along with the advanced concept. So thank you for the watching. If you enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button and join our channel. Thank you.